Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about the Spark filter. As you know about the filter is used basically a lot of time when we are doing transformation. We need to filter data. We don't require all the data. We need filter. So let's start the Spark session today. We will import Pyspark.sql in a Spark session. Then we will create a Spark session, and then we will today we are going to use Apple data. As part of Apple data, we are going to do some kind of filter operations. So let's start with the Spark session. So we are reading file, and if you would like to print a schema, use the df.print schema. Here is the data frames. We can see the data. So it shows the first 20 rows, and the columns are the date, open price, what is the high price for the day, low price, close, and volume adjustment close. If you would like to see the row object, you can see simply df header 2. If you would like to do the filter, let's say filter, we'll just give the if clause df, and filter is a method, and here we are passing if clause, and select is just, if you know the SQL, it's very easy to understand. We are selecting from this result with the high only one column, and so means it will give the output the client machine. And you can select the multiple columns. So if you would like to select multiple column, then you have to pass this as a list. Okay, and here also you can select a different column. So let's say you want to use the two condition. Basically it's just simple. You need to ampersand and make sure you have a parenthesis here also, and you can select same like that. So here we have 3 value only. If you want to select the equal value, just pass the double equal, and most of time we want to see the output here, but most of time we will collect the data and do some kind of operation, or we want to store the data somewhere in the file. So we use the collect method. It will return the row object, and if you have a row object, as you know, then you can convert as a dictionary. From dictionary you can select the value, which value you would like to see. Thank you.